DEC Kindergarten Department, a majestic and magnificent building based on an English curriculum that teaches your child in an academic way with lots of skillful and faculty members. Students are divided into groups inside of the classroom. They are supervised by their own class teacher and assistant teacher for controlling and assisting the students.
Transportation services are available for all the urban areas.
A successful and excellent academic methodology which helps students study extra English books to improve their English skills beside the governmental curriculum, while it pays full attention to Kurdish as the mother tongue. Every single day, students are welcomed with various activities including morning circle and advice moments. Our main mission is to teach students how to have a strong personality, take responsibility, demonstrate their talents, and line up correctly in order to have a great and creative influence in the future. Playground room full of brain games are well designed for enriching students' minds and consuming their positive energy. Exclusive classes for music and art, including football stadium and large green space for playing different games. Conducting numerous scientific trips for the beloved students, KG2 students will have the most amazing and memorable graduation ceremony at the end of the academic year, serving 2 meals, breakfast and lunch at a huge comfortable cafeteria. Registration is open for the new academic year 2022-2023. Enrollment is limited. Welcome to Diaco Educational Compound.